I'll be the first one to hit you, nobody. Whoa.
Hey yo, you ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body. You ain't fuck Nikki, you fuck Nicole body. Ain't no moms when this here new body. Go up with their heads, these bitches is nobody.
What's up, y'all? It's George, and if y'all want to see me go from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, so what you guys want to do is place the wig on you guys' head and position it to where you guys want it to be. So now that you guys got the wig positioned properly on you guys' head, you guys want to take some Got To Be glue gel and just lay down your edges so that way your edges are out of the way when it's time for you to apply the freeze spray so you can secure your wig. And then you're just going to go in with your blow dryer on cool to rush up the drying process. So then you're going to want to go in with your freeze spray and spread it all around. And then you're going to pick up your blow dryer and blow dry it on cool so that way the freeze spray can dry quickly. So now it's time to just massage your lace and place it into the freeze spray that you sprayed. If you have a rat tail comb, go ahead and get that to help you place the lace deeper into the glue. Okay, so right here, all you're gonna do is just repeat the same steps and the same process that you did previously to make sure your lace is secured. Then you're gonna go back in with your rat tail comb, and then you're just gonna press down and slide up, if that makes sense. So that way you're technically melting your lace with the blow dryer and the rat tail comb method. Okay, so now that you're done melting your lace and making sure your lace is secure, you're just gonna go in, and now it's time to style it. So while I was playing with it, I seen that my lace was a little bit darker to my liking. So I just went in with some foundation and just patted the areas that I thought was a little bit too dark for me. Yes, there we go, Scout. So now you just want to take a water bottle, and all that's in my water bottle is regular water mixed with a little bit of conditioner. So all I'm doing is just going throughout the hair and spraying my hair so I can brush it out. So now all you're going to do is start at the ends of your hair, and then you're going to brush it out using a Demi brush. So now I'm just going in with my Aunt Jackie's Curl Quench leave-in conditioner, and you can probably get this from your local beauty supply store. y'all need to get y'all a dimming brush. Y'all see how this dimming brush just bless your life like that? So now you're all done. You styled it to your liking and you installed your wig in under 10 minutes. Perfect for if you're on the go and just everyday life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.